Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a division house. Let's start by understanding the fundamental components of this mathematical tool. The division house, also known as the long division symbol, provides a clear structure for solving division problems. You'll place the number being divided, called the dividend, inside the house. The number doing the dividing, known as the divisor, sits just outside. This setup helps keep your calculations organized and easy to follow throughout the entire process. Now let's set up our division problem correctly. First, write your dividend, for example, 144, inside the division house. Then, place your divisor, such as 12, to the left of the house. Next, you'll look at the first digit or first few digits of the dividend. Determine how many times the divisor can go into that segment without exceeding it. This initial step is crucial for starting the long division process accurately and efficiently. Once your problem is set up, you'll perform a series of repetitive steps. First, write the quotient digit you estimated directly above the dividend. Next, multiply that quotient digit by your divisor and write the result directly below the part of the dividend you just divided. Then, subtract this product from the dividend segment. Finally, bring down the next digit from the dividend to create a new number. You will then repeat these three steps: divide, multiply, and subtract until all digits are used. To finalize your division, continue the process of dividing, multiplying, and subtracting until there are no more digits left in the dividend to bring down. The number remaining at the very bottom is your remainder. If it is 0, the division is exact. To ensure your answer is correct, multiply your final quotient by the original divisor. Then, add any remainder to that product. This sum should perfectly match your initial dividend, giving you confidence in your solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.